So now we doing a food vlog. We're about to test out. What'd you get?
Hey, we got the red bites. You feel me? I know what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Red bites.
Red bites. Red bites.
Oh, the red bites.
With the tri-tip sandwich. No, tri-tip tacos, bro. I'll take that back. See, I don't know. I never had a tri-tip taco.
Tri-tip. Bro, they got graffiti in this motherfucker too, bro. They got art all over the place. Bunch of people. Some of this graffiti.
Like, you know how we had that little group chat? Yeah, hell yeah. You know, he had that little group chat.
What is it called again?
It's a tri-tip taco.
A tri-tip taco.
I think.
Fire, bro. Fire. It is nation approved. This is your BZ Choppa.
I ain't gonna lie. I go. Bro, y'all need to slide.
Uptown takeout.
Uptown takeout.
Uptown takeout.
Uptown takeout in Sacramento, California. Slide through, get your motherfucking ribeye tacos. Shout out to
Look.
I'm leaking.
That shit right there, that's what you call good.
That's what you call good.
Man. And we're gonna wash it down with this bum ass Uptown. That shit made the pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade? That looks blue.
Raspberry lemonade. Raspberry lemonade.
Raspberry. So this is the restaurant takeout that we just ate at.
It was fire!
Slap. They got graffiti, art, everything inside of it. Sacramento. Pull up.